Create in me a clean heart, oh Lord, and renew the right spirit within me. Create in me a clean heart, oh Lord, and renew the right spirit within me. Cast me not away from thy presence, O Lord. Take not thy Holy Spirit from me. Oh, restore, restore unto me the joy of my salvation, and renew the right spirit within me. Oh, create in me a clean heart. Raise your heart to thy grace. My, and renew a right spirit within me. Create in me clean heart. Oh Lord, and renew a right spirit within me. Oh, cast me not away from thy presence, oh Lord. Oh yeah, take not thy Holy Spirit from me. Oh yeah, and restore unto me the joy of my salvation, and renew the right spirit. Oh, one more time, create in me a clean heart. Oh Lord, and renew a right spirit within me. Create in me a clean heart. Oh Lord, and renew a right spirit within me. Cast me not away from thy presence, oh Lord. Oh yeah, take not thy Holy Spirit from me. Restore, restore the joy of thy salvation, and renew the right spirit within. Oh, cast me not, oh, cast me not away from thy presence, oh Lord. Oh, take not thy Holy Spirit from me. Restore, restore the joy of thy salvation, and renew the right spirit within me, and renew the right spirit within. Oh, and renew the right spirit, and renew the right